Hey guys, I'm back again, your favorite guy that's in depth. As you can see, we unboxed the beautiful iPhones in the last video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you watch that video. I had few interesting reactions to them. I've got few of the cases, I've got some of the silicone cases, and also the new Finewoven case, which replaces the leather case this year because Apple wants to be more carbon neutral. I am really excited to see how this case is. Let's start with the orange. Orange is my favorite color. It's funny though, this year the colors kind of don't match besides the blue and the pink. I could not find a yellow for the yellow like last year they had. Ooh, we got pull tabs, beautiful. Let's get into it. This is a beautiful orange. I love Apple silicone cases. They have zero protection, but they have one of the best MagSafes, and also they feel really good. You got that soft finish inside as well, so it doesn't scratch your phone. This is a really beautiful orange. Let's give it a try on the yellow and see how it is. Pretty good, look, I love it. Let's give this a try on the green. I don't think green and orange would go together. By the way, these were the cases available in the Apple Store, so I got whatever I could. It's not that there weren't more cases. Not a fan of green on orange. Pretty sure the green would go with the green, and also there's blue underneath it. Pretty sure the blue will go along with the yellow. And now let's get into 15 plus silicone case. Let's open that up. You know what's the funny part? I love how Apple tells you how to put your case on. They basically are like, hey, this is how you put the phone in. You're welcome. I feel like they have actually had people asking, how do you put this in your phone? And Apple is like, I swear it has happened. Let's give this blue a try with this. Beautiful. I love it. It looks really good. I'm pretty sure the blue would go with the pink would go with the blue. These make sense, but that orange, I'm like, is there an orange phone? Please. Please. Is Tim? Is an orange phone coming up? Please? Let's get into this dark green color, which I think it will go great with these colors. It's funny that these are pastel and the cases are like rock solid colors. Now we got the pull tab again, beautiful. Oh yeah, this green and that green makes sense. It's like two-tone, you know? One light tone and one dark tone. That's beautiful. Love it. I don't think, I personally don't like it. Adding my own sound effects to it. No, it's the same blue. Cool. Let's give this green a try with the blue. Not bad. Not the best. I mean, the green on the green makes sense. I'm pretty sure this will look great. I thought it would look great. It's okay. Not the best. It's aight. Yeah, aight. We got the pink. Ooh. This is baby pink. Baby pink on baby pink. What? Okay, this is why I'm so confused. Why the case and the phone are baby pink, but the baby blue is not baby blue? This is funny. Now, this part is a dark tone and this part is a light tone. Love this. This might be the best combination in this group that I've seen. We'll try the blue with the pink. The pink was the best with the pink. Let's give blue with the pink a try. I'm pretty sure anything with this pink case, yes. Yeah, it's the case. It's the case that makes it look better. Finewoven. Apple got rid of their leather cases for this. Let's see what's all the hype about. No. This feels... Okay, let me tell you in the best way possible how this feels. Go grab a peach and rub your hands on the peach. You know how it's so dry and it's weird? Oh, what the hell? Why would anyone want to hold this? Why am I touching it? Oh, God. They replaced the beautiful leather for this? This is... Okay. I won't touch this. What the... Ooh. Looks great. Ooh. Clicky ass buttons. Clicky. I think I gotta get used to this feeling. Sounds like a DJ. Okay, I have lost the plot. It looks good. It's already scuffed with my nails. And this is the most expensive one that replaces leather. This feels so yuck and weird. Oh, I hate this case. Disgusting. The feeling of it is... Bro. Ah. Yeah, so you see this? Give it a second. This is my action button that gets triggered every second I want to take a case off. You see? Action button. I'll get into this in the review video. Stupid. Yeah. The blue looks beautiful, but it feels the same. Oh, God damn it. This feels... This feels yuck. Looks good. Feels like a peach. Feels like the skin of a peach. It's dry. It's making my hand like... You know how like you go into a swimming pool and you sit there for a while and your fingers like become weird and stuff? This is how that feels. This is how that feels. Yuck. Okay. It looks beautiful. Like if you don't touch it, you leave it on a desk, it looks mesmerizing. I love this on that more. I mean, I love the blue on this too. Oh, bro. I was exaggerating a little bit, but this is actually bad. I don't like this at all. We got a purple-ish color. Ooh, love the color. Hate the finish. Do you see that? That Apple logo, it's weird. It's uneven. It has a thing in the... By the way, these cases costed $800. You know what's coming up. Hi, my name is Puya, and I'm in severe debt. If you like my stupid content, please make sure you subscribe and you like my videos because I want to quit my 9 to 5. That's why, because I want to quit my 9 to 5. If you don't know, I was a singer before this, and maybe that's why I can hit those notes. That was a weird ass sponsor. Anyways, so that's how it feels, you know what I mean? So like, feels weird, looks great. Last case, the green on a blue, cause why not? Finewoven, the most uncomfortable case to touch, in my opinion, because everyone's gonna go off at me in the comments. There you go. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and comment down below which one of these cases do you like, and also are you gonna get the Finewoven? Because I'm not. I'm returning this immediately. I hate it. Make sure you subscribe because the camera test videos are coming up. They're kind of difficult to record because there's so many phones that I have to do comparisons with. So please be patient. I am editing them and I am recording them. I legit work at 9 to 5, but I'm putting content out like this. And that's all for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you in the next video. No, I'm fine.